The world of software development is undergoing a massive transformation, and it's being driven by AI. The phrase AI is eating software perfectly captures this shift, where traditional coding is increasingly being replaced by more intuitive, intent-driven approaches and automated maintenance. What does intent-driven development mean? It's about structuring information so that AI agents can understand your needs and deliver what you want, moving beyond rigid coding to a more conversational and goal-oriented process. Instead of writing every line of code, developers are now focusing on defining the why and what, the intent, and letting AI handle the how. This allows for faster prototyping, reduced development time, and a focus on solving complex problems rather than repetitive coding tasks. AI is also revolutionizing software maintenance. Automated tools, powered by machine learning, are now capable of continuously scanning code to identify bugs, vulnerabilities, and performance issues. They can even suggest and implement refactoring opportunities, improving code quality and maintainability without human intervention. This includes self-healing scripts in testing, where AI adapts to changes in the application, significantly reducing the burden of manual updates. Predictive maintenance, driven by AI, can forecast failures and detect degrading system components before they cause major breakdowns, leading to higher efficiency and reduced operational costs. This evolution means developers are becoming more like architects and strategists, guiding AI to build and maintain software, rather than being solely focused on manual coding. It's a shift that promises to make software development more efficient, reliable, and innovative.